friends, I have our math work today. So on page 517, we are solving some fruit mysteries. How many bananas are in the box? Well, we can just count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm gonna write that down so I don't forget. How many bananas are missing? Well, we have 100 bananas. We're supposed to. No, it's hard to see on here. It says 100 bananas, but we only have 13. So we're missing some. So I am going to start with 100, and we're going to take away the 13 to see what we're missing, to see what we don't have. See how many we should add back. So that's going to be blank. I'm going to do a number line. Take away 10, and that gets us to 90, minus 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. 89, 88, 87. So we're missing 87 bananas. That's a lot of bananas to be missing. Now this next problem is pretty similar to that. First of all, how many apples are in the box? Well, I know there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can't see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 36. Counting by sixes. We don't count by sixes very often. There's 36 apples. Now, how many are missing? Again, there should be 100 apples in the box, but we only have 36. I'm going to solve this one a little different. We only have 36 apples. What are we missing to get to 100? So I could solve this one the same way as I solved the first one. I'm just going to do a different strategy. Do what makes sense to you. So I'm going to do 36 plus, I'm going to start with 40. 30 plus 40 is 70, and 6 plus 0 is 7. So I'm going to stop when I get to 100. So I'm at 76. I've added 40 so far. 76 plus 20. 7 plus 2 is 9. Groups of 10. 6 plus 0. 6. Oh, we're at 96. We're so close. I know that 96 is really close to 100. So now I just need to see what all I added to that 36 to get to 100. I added 40 and 20 and 4. So I'm going to put these together. 40 plus 20 is 60, plus that 4, 64. So we are missing 64 apples. Again, that's a lot of missing apples. Now these next problems are going to be pretty similar. They're using 100s. Franco had 100 pennies. He used 67 of them to buy a baseball card. How many pennies does he have left? This equation's a little bit easier to write. He had 100 pennies, and he used 67. So we're going to take away, and we're going to figure out how many he has left. So I think I'm going to use equations on this, and I'm going to do 100 minus 60. I know 10 groups of 10 minus 6 groups of 10 is 4 groups of 10, which is 40. And 40 minus 7 is 33. I could count backwards if I needed to on that one. Use my fingers to keep track. So he has 33 pennies left. This next one, there were 100 paper clips in the box. Kira pinched 52 of them. How many paper clips are left in the box? So I have 100 paper clips. Kira pinched 52. So she grabbed out 52 with her fingers. And we're going to figure out how many are still in the box. I think this time I'm going to use tens and ones, but I'm going to be careful doing that strategy, and I'll show you why. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So there's the 100 that we started with. Now I need to get rid of 5 groups of 10. I need to get rid of 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Ooh, but, so I got rid of the 50, But now I need to get rid of 2, and I don't have any 1s to cross out. Here's why I said you can use this strategy, but you need to be careful. This group of 10, I'm not Xing it. I'm squiggling it. I'm not getting rid of it. I'm just going to turn it into 10 1s. It's still a 10. But now it's 10 1s. So now I can mark out the 2 and actually see it. 1, 2. So now I'm left with 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. We had 8 1s. So either way, now I'm going to do one more problem, and then the very last one you will do on your own. Sally had 100 pennies. She gave 26 of them to her brother. How many pennies does Sally have now? So again, she has 100. She gave away 26 of them, so we are taking away. We're figuring out what she has left. This time I think I'll do a number line. I've done equations, I've done 10s and 1s. Now I'm going to do a number line. She has 100 and she gives away 10, 20. She takes 2 groups of 10 away. So that's 90. 10 less than 90 is 80. Now we need to take away 6. And I'm going to take away a 5. Because I know that 5 less than 80 is 75, and then minus 1 to make a total of 6, 74. So like I said, this last one you're doing on your own. But use one of those strategies that I just showed you to help you out.